This presentation describes the main steps in using the G864 magnetometer and software to create, collect, and publish magnetometer surveys. In summary, you do this in 3 steps. You create a project and a survey. You have a few ways to do that. You collect the data using the instrument, and then you publish the data. You have some different options in each case. There are 2 methods for creating surveys. First, you can create it in Survey Manager on a Windows laptop. You create and open a project. You add surveys to the project, and you then take that database and import it into MagNav. The other way of creating a survey is to do it on MagNav. You can create a new project and surveys within it there. This method has some limitations. You can only create GPS surveys, and it doesn't include all survey parameters, though they can be edited later on in Survey Manager, even if you've already added data to a survey. Collecting data consists of using the MagNav Android tablet connected to the instrument out in the field. Surveying adds data to an individual survey inside a project. A project is a file that's stored on the tablet. When you're done surveying, the instrument data are stored in the project database on the tablet, not inside the backpack. After collecting data, you export the project database to a USB drive, and then you publish the data using Survey Manager. You open the project database. This is the file you exported from MagNav. You select a project, you select a survey, then you export the data. You have a couple of export choices. One is CSV exports, or comma-separated files. These are available to all customers. GDB exports, or Geosoft exports, function only on laptops with a licensed copy of Oasis Montage.
Creating a project is the first
information
step
about the specifics of these steps, this was just an overview.
Collect
Go to the
magnetometer
Geometrics
data.
Dev playlist.
The project is
on
a container.
YouTube.
It's a single file in which there's a database that has one or more surveys. And when you go and collect data, you'll be putting data into one of those particular surveys, and then you'll move this project around this container. So pick the instrument you want to create the project for. We'll say G864. We want to make a new G864 project. That's a simple name. We're going to store it as a file. The database, this container, is a database file. So we'll call it mytest.dbt. That matches the name that we gave the project itself. And there we are. We have a new project named mytest. Magnetometer type is 862. That's the type of magnetometer used on an 864 instrument. There we go. We've created a new project.